Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shibarium sends Shiba Inu Coin to $15 overnight? Shib news. The Shiba Inu race has endured the longest in the market. Starting in 2023, the meme coin has increased to roughly 40% of the market. However, Shiba Inu dominates a sizable portion of the cryptocurrency market and is an excellent option for investors. Considering these increases, a few Shiba Inu whales are unsure about where to trade Shiba Inu coins. With the growing popularity, many businesses have initiated to accept Shiba Inu as payment in 2023. In this video, we will talk about Shibarium sends Shiba Inu Coin to $15 overnight, Shib news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The Shiba Inu price has risen by 50% from its low point in December, and its daily trading volume has increased to $300 million. Shiba Inu's growth in volume and price has been reflected in its market cap, which stands at $6.8 billion. The meme coin is now the 13th largest crypto. Shiba Inu has 549 trillion tokens in circulation, but a total supply of 589 billion. Other SHIB tokens have been locked in smart contracts for staking purposes. Shiba Inu has always been a darling among large volume crypto holders, especially Ethereum whales. According to Whale Stats, Shiba Inu is one of the top 10 most used smart contracts for the top 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales on Friday. The story gets juicy, with Shiba Inu among the most used smart contracts for the top 100 Ethereum whales in 24 hours. In other news, an opulent whale has moved a colossal amount of SHIB tokens, possibly in preparation for the launch of the new protocol Shibarium. Data released by Whale Alert, a platform monitoring whale transactions in the crypto market, the investor transferred slightly over 3 trillion SHIB, worth approximately $38 million at the time of writing. The transfer originated from an unknown wallet and still ended up in another unknown wallet. Interestingly, the wallet received roughly the same number of tokens a fortnight ago from an unidentified wallet with a zero balance, based on data from Etherscan. Shiba Inu price is trading within the boundaries of a falling trend channel. Following the rejection, SHIB suffered from January highs at $0.00001292. The token has retreated to trade at $0.00001149, with a 200-day exponential moving average capping movement at $0.00001181. The technical outlook from the moving average convergence-divergence indicators perspective is bearish, although this retracement could be temporary. Short positions in Shiba Inu price could ideally be triggered after the MACD line in blue crosses below the signal line in red, thus confirming a sell signal. If declines continue unabated over the weekend, Shiba Inu may be forced to seek refuge at the trend channel's lower boundary support, or, if you'd like, the buyer congestion at $0.00001. On the flip side, traders could comfortably hold on to their long positions on the whim of the 50-day EMA crossing above the 100-day EMA. While this pattern is not an ideal golden cross, it suggests Shiba Inu's upside momentum is in place and has the potential to hold in position in the coming sessions, possibly for days. Therefore, bulls only need to give Shiba Inu price a minor push to deal with two critical hurdles, the 200-day EMA and the upper boundary of the trend channel. Realize that a clear break and hold above this chart pattern would open the door to gains eyeing $0.00001520 and $0.000018 Shiba Inu's November peak. The IO map model by Into the Block corroborates the bullish narrative by highlighting a solid buyer congestion zone at $0.000011. Approximately 20.5K addresses that purchased 100.6 trillion SHIB around this area would be willing to back a positive outcome in Shiba Inu price. At least 137.37 trillion SHIB tokens are in the money, representing 69.65% of the protocol's total supply. The tokens that are out of the money account for 27.15% of the supply, approximately 53.54 trillion SHIB. There are 6.32 trillion tokens at the break-even point, representing 3.20% of the supply. There are more SHIB tokens with unrealized profit than those experiencing unrealized losses, and at the break-even point combined. This shows that investors would be willing to back a Shiba Inu price rally as opposed to selling the token. especially with the launch of the Shibarium protocol on the horizon. The Shib Army, an online community of Shiba Inu supporters, is celebrating news of early support from Atomic Wallet. This gesture from Atomic Wallet would see the new protocol exposed to more than 3 million global users immediately after its debut. Core developers of the Shiba Inu ecosystem assured investors on January 16th that the Shibarium beta is about to be launched. However, the team insisted that it focuses on building the Layer 2 protocol correctly and introducing it responsibly. The community has been asked to stop asking when the launch will be, but then the finish line is nigh. Seeing the success of the meme token, several platforms want to add it. Whole Foods. Nothing can provide the public the satisfaction of knowing that businesses accept payment methods other than cash. And certainly, it is now time for cryptocurrency. Shopping with cryptocurrency is great. The groceries can now be paid for with the Shiba Inu Coin as well. Shiba Inu payment can be made using any of the current payment applications, and users find them easy to use. GameStop. Shiba Inu currency has now begun to be accepted at GameStop. Shiba Inu token and GameStop are a great fit for promoting and enhancing the value of this token. Nordstrom, another well-known American retailer that now accepts Shiba Inu tokens as payments, is Nordstrom. Many payment applications stated in December 2021 that consumers could now use the smartphone app to pay for their orders, along with Shiba Inu Coin, in a process that would be as easy as Apple or Google Pay. Petco. Users may buy food for their pets on Petco. Dogs, kittens, birds, and many other pets are included in this category. One can also purchase some live tiny animals. In addition, Petco offers dog training services and veterinary services. Android and iPhone users can download the application. American Cancer Society. The mission of the American Cancer Society is to eradicate cancer from the planet. It researches to make this possible. It funds patient care so they can receive therapy because the study in this area will take a while. To ensure that everyone can participate in this admirable endeavor, it receives money since it needs money. Anyone can deposit through it if they have Shiba Inu because it has started to accept payments in that currency. HostKey. Web services like private cloud solutions are offered by HostKey. It offers trustworthy physical servers made to order and rising GPU servers. The Netherlands and the United States are the countries where its server is located. This web service company will accept Shiba Inu as payment. APMEX. Users have the choice to purchase valuable metals from APMEX, a US-based corporation, and also to sell valuable metals through this store. Therefore, it falls within the heading of an online shop. The corporate headquarters of this business are in Oklahoma, USA, and it was established in 2000. It belongs to the group of businesses that accept Shiba Inu. Both the Apple Store and Play Store provide its app for download. The corporate headquarters of Sling are in Colorado, America. It was started in 2015. One may stream live TV with Sling TV. With its assistance, one may even view live performances. However, the services are exclusively offered within the USA. Its current user base of almost 2.5 million individuals proves its appeal. It is also one of the businesses that accept Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is one of the currencies that David SW accepts. One may get high-quality watches from David SW for reasonable pricing. Anyone can purchase watches either from online or offline stores. In addition, it uses BitPay to allow businesses to accept payments in all other cryptocurrencies. Joma Shop, a fashion retailer, was founded in 1987. Its main office is in New York. Anyone can buy handbags, jewelry, eyeglasses, jewelry, and numerous other items. The business has recently begun accepting Shiba Inu. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.